song using only Fortnite sound effects. Here are the main sounds that I used. Enjoy. Go follow me on Twitch for the most average Fortnite playing in the world.
You're looking pretty dumb, da-dum, da-dum. Why didn't you just run, da-dum, da-dum? You came in guns blazing, da-dum, da-dum. And now there's no saving, da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da-dum. And now you're trying to crawl away from me, but to add a little insult to injury, I hit him with that L, hit him with that GG. Know you tried your best, but you couldn't best me, nah. I dance on him, I dance on him, it tastes sweet. Yeah, a little orange justice, do what I do best with my hands, give you a clap, clap, clap. I dance on him. How does it look from all the way down? You were gliding through the sky, now you're lying on the ground. And I don't even feel sorry though, cause you're the one who came at me, bro. And I know you're probably screaming at your TV, but to add a little insult to injury, I hit him with that, give a little hype, yeah, gotta do my dance. When I hit the snipe, yeah, nah. I dance on him, my teeth clean, cause every day you know I'm flossing. Gotta keep it fresh, like the prince, I'm a boss, nah. I dance on him. I don't want no drama, stay away from my llama. If you're gonna cry, better call up your mama, nah. Oh, call me MJ, cause I be ballin'. I go extra hard when I know that you're watching. We could've been cool, now who's looking like a fool? I hit him with that L, hit him with that GG. Know you tried your best, but you couldn't best me, nah. I dance on him, I taste sweet. Yeah, a little orange justice, do what I do best with my hands, give you a clap, clap, clap. I dance on him, you can't even be mad at me, cause you know you do the same to me. But I'm sure glad that it's you, not me. I dance on him, you're the one who fired on me first. Now you're getting what you deserve. Your ego is the only thing that's hurt. I dance on him.
I've got merch. It looks like this. There's my website. Go pick some up. Also like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below. Okay.